Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started lying down on our backs in shavasana. Relax your arms, relax your legs, and take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. Bring your legs into a butterfly position with the soles of your feet together. You can keep your arms at your sides, or you can place your hands on your belly. Slowly close your legs together as you extend your right leg up to the ceiling. Grab behind your right hamstring and begin to flex and point your right foot. Keep your foot flexed as you gently pull your leg closer towards you. We come into our figure 4, placing our right ankle on top of that left knee. Now you can stay just like this, or you can lift your legs up, grabbing behind your left hamstring or in front of your left knee. Release your legs back down. And let's extend our left leg up this time. Grab behind that left hamstring as you flex and point your foot. Keep your foot flexed as you gently pull the leg closer towards you. Make your way into your figure 4, taking the same variation that you did on the other side. Release your legs. Let's extend both legs up towards the ceiling, coming into our waterfall pose. Flex your feet as you grab behind your legs, pulling your legs closer towards you. Open your legs for happy baby as you bend your knees, reaching for your feet or your legs. And maybe you rock gently from side to side. Close your legs as you hug your knees into your chest really tight. Rock up the length of your spine, coming into a seated position with your legs straight out in front of you. And you can shake your legs out a little bit. Take an inhale as you reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Let's come back up into a cross-legged position, and I'm just going to turn so I can face you. We come into our side body stretch, lifting our left arm up and over. Let's go to the other side. We come back up to the center, and now just walk your hands forward, relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. And you have the option to sway gently from side to side. Make your way into a tabletop position on your hands and knees. We come into our cow pose, looking up, dropping our belly low, shining the chest forward. In cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Continue to move through those cat cows at your own pace. On your final cat pose, you sit your hips all the way back to your heels for child's pose. Open your knees really wide. Rest your forehead on your mat. Take some deep breaths. Take one more deep breath in through your nose and let it out. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.